HVAC Contractors. Why give your money away on third-party warranties? With Caddie Workmanship Guarantee, you build your own reserve fund that you manage and you can use to grow your business. Use those funds to buy trucks, hire techs, and expand faster. Stop relying on third-party warranties that don't even help your business. The contracts that you're buying, they're not even yours. They're between the underwriter and the customer. So although you think you're locking your customer in, you're really not. You're locking the underwriter to the homeowner. Take control of your business, check out Caddie's Workmanship Guarantee software, and book your demo today.